All right, folks, let's talk about the all-new 2025 Venture RV Sienna 293VIK. You may think you've seen it all when it comes to travel trailers, but trust me when I say this one requires a closer look. I'm your host, Barry, and this is the RV Rundown. Check out the striking all-white exterior. The design is more than just good looks. It says adventure ready with a touch of sophistication. Whether you're parked at the beach or deep in the woods, you'll always make a statement. Now let's talk functionality. This awning is a game changer. Max size coverage means that whether it's sun or light rain, you're good to go. And check out the lockable pass-through storage with magnetic catches. There's plenty of room for all your gear. Plus, these LED lit electric stabilizers run up and down at the touch of a button. They make setup a breeze and keep everything nice and steady while you're camping. And up front, you'll find a power tongue jack with an adjustable base, making hitching and leveling a one-person job. And that radiused front cap, it's designed for better aerodynamics to save you fuel on those longer hauls. Need to store your trailer for a while? The battery cutoff switch has you covered. And underneath, it's all about durability. Dexter heavy-duty axles ensure smooth towing, and the heated and enclosed underbelly make sure you stay warm and comfortable. And up on top, you'll find a fully walkable roofline with ladder access, 2 AC units powered by 50 amp service, and it's even wired for a backup camera, plug and play, ready to go. No matter whether it's winter or summer or what conditions you're driving in, the Sienna has you covered. Stepping into the main entry hallway, we have immediate access to our control panel. All physical buttons where we can check our tank levels, battery levels, run our slides, run our awning, cut on the lights. It's all right here. Now, with our slides in, as we currently have it since we just pulled into the campsite, we have immediate access to the bathroom and the bedroom, but the living room and kitchen is a bit of a squeeze. Let's run those slides out and get camp ready. Opening this RV up, it is a breath of fresh air. The modern farmhouse design with its soft whites and neutral tones really creates a calming atmosphere. And the residential vinyl flooring and LED lighting throughout is as practical as it is beautiful. And here's a feature that'll make you wonder, why is this not standard everywhere? The sit and slide dinette. There's no clunky poles or awkward brackets here. Just smooth, simple adjustments, all with a single touch. And check this out. Our padding is double-sided. Fabric on one, pleather on the other. That means if you got the grandkids over or some messy folks, we can have a messy side and a clean, comfy side. Additionally, this will make into a bed for guests, and we've got tons of storage up underneath. Now let's talk about this kitchen. You've got a pantry so large that you can host all kinds of things, not to mention it doubles as a laundry room. That's right, we've got washer dryer prep in here. You've also got a deep stainless steel single basin sink with a sleek drying rack cover, a very nice 12-volt refrigerator that's as spacious as it is stylish. And then Venture gives you a cool little treat. It's like a cutting/presentation board. I think that's a neat addition to any kitchen. The bathroom is where practicality meets comfort. A motion-activated night light ensures no midnight fumbling, and the tankless water heater, endless hot water on demand. It's the little luxuries that make a big difference. And here in the primary bedroom, this space is all about relaxation and storage. A queen bed takes center stage, and it's flanked by 2 large closets. And hidden storage throughout the room means that everything has its place, keeping your space tidy and inviting. And if you did want entertainment in the bedroom, we have a TV backer plate as well as all our connections right here at the entrance. Here in our living room, it's all about versatility and comfort. The trifold sofa in the rear is perfect for lounging during the day and converts into a guest bed of the evening. And with an entertainment center that's directly across from your recliners, movie night just got a whole lot cozier. And staying connected is a breeze with your Sansui Smart TV and King Wi-Fi prep. It means you can stream, surf, and stay entertained when you're miles away from anywhere. So there you have it. The new Venture Sienna 293VIK is more than just a travel trailer. It's your mobile base camp, your home away from home, and your ticket to adventure. Ready to hit the road? And if you like what you've seen here today, please like, comment, subscribe, share. It really helps out our channel. And you can always give us a call at 770-477-0552 with any questions, or visit us online at southernrv.com. Until next time, happy camping.